my YouTube channel. Today I'll be filming for you a New Year's Eve glam. So I hope you guys are excited for this, and we are going for a very nude New Year's glam. Yes baby, I've got my daughter here with me, so you will hear her in the background. Ava, say hi. Say hello. With your crazy hair. You want ball? Okay, come on. Let's give you ball. Mwah. So yeah, if you see her running around or making noise, then excuse me. I'm just gonna go directly into it, guys. So I really hope you enjoy it. So we're just going to go in and put some eye cream under our eyes. So important to do this, guys, especially in the winter where your eyes get super dry and dehydrated. And I love this, the Drunk Elephant eye cream. Just gonna go in with my That Girl by Benefit. Eva, entrada. My hot button to brew more tea. Hey. Once you've filled in the eyebrows, just like that, comb it through, and then you've got sort of a full eyebrow going on there. Now the next step is to clean that up. So the best way to clean it up, well, the way I do it anyway, is using a concealer and a flat brush. And then literally just right underneath where your eyebrow meets the skin, literally just go through it. Ava! Go through and then just clean up the eyebrow. This gives you that prominent full eyebrow finish, and then you do exactly the same on the top half also. So just literally go in, do the same, clean it up all the way. It looks a bit strange like that, but honestly that's what gives it that clean finish. And then I tend to go in with just a normal concealer brush and then just buff it away into the rest of your makeup. That's it. Then get your brush again and then comb it through, so you're not losing that clean finish. Then the concealer, what I do is I bring it down onto my eyelid and then I use it as a primer. So you can do the same. Bring it all the way down as a primer, just like we've done on the other eye. Perfect. Today we'll be using the Kat Von D palette. And honestly, this is going to help us create the perfect nudie Years Glam. The first colour we're going in is with this one. It's the perfect base colour for the eyes. So we're taking that all the way upwards. Perfect. It's a lovely base colour, guys. The next colour that we're going to go in with is Amarosita, which is this one here. So we're just going to get the colour, get some onto our brush, and then we're going to pat some onto the edges of the eye. And we're taking this into the crease and then taking it outwards. In and then blend it outwards. Perfect. Now the next colour that we're going to go is this one just here. So I'm going to take that brown tone and pop it into the edges and then back into the crease. So we're once again focusing on smoking the eye outwards. And in circular motions, just keep blending them all together and then bringing it back out. So we're giving our eye that smoky feel, but it's so blended that it just looks like it's naturally supposed to be that way, even though we're adding lots of powder. Okay, so now that's technically the base and the smoke of the eye. And now we're going to go back with our flat brush. This is the colour we're going in with next. We're going to take Destino with a flat brush and we're going to open the inner eye by using a very neutral, very light shade. And we're going to take this onto the lids of our eyes and then sweeping it back. And essentially what that does, it will open your eyes up and take it back. And then I want you to go in, once you've packed it on with some powder, use your finger and then take that back. And it's such a beautiful pigment that it just naturally blends so well with your fingers. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. And then just blend it back out. Look how lovely that colour is, and this pigment is so good that it literally just blends out super nicely. That's perfect. And I'm just going to go back in with that brush and the Morosito colour and then literally just blending so there's no harshness anywhere. In with that same colour that we just used onto our brow bone, and then we're going to blend that back in as such. Same on the other side, and then we're going to blend that back in. Perfect. and that just leaves us with no harshness anywhere. So the last colour that we're going to go in with is Luna, which is this one just here. Just very slightly blend it out. And then on the side, just make sure it's even and it's blended and it's going out. And then take your brush again and then just make sure it's all blended perfectly. The Rock and Roll Coil, and we're going to apply this as an eyeliner, and we're keeping this very soft. Which is why we're not going in with a darker eyeliner. So all the way. Gold brush, and then just blend that out all the way. And kind of smudge out the coil liner as such, so it just looks super blended. Hi guys, so I have literally just finished doing my eye and I've put my lashes on, and you can see like the soft smoky glam that it is. Just turning so you guys can see. And what I've done is I've added a teeny bit of the black pencil eyeliner just on the exact lash line, because I didn't want there to be any gaps, and I've not done eyeliner, so I didn't want that to be noticeable. So I'm now just going to go in with the same Goyle that I used on my under eye, as an eyeliner on my actual makeup, and I'm going to do the same underneath my eye. And literally just applying it underneath, and then I'm going to blend it out. So just using a small tapered brush, I'm just blending that out. Hi guys, so I've literally gone in and finished my eyes. I literally just went in with a bit of brown smoke underneath the eyes and then blended that out, and just put some mascara and white eyeliner to open my eyes up. So that's the glam. I am literally just going to go in and finish my base because I only did some bronzer. I haven't actually done blush or highlight, so I'm just going to go in with my NARS Orgasm Blusher and just pop some of this onto the apples of my cheeks. Perfect. And then I'm just going to go in with a teeny bit more bronzer and just buff this in. And then I'm just going to use the same highlighter in the palette, so I'm going to use Gold Rush and Cookie and just pop this onto my contour bones. Just on the tip of my nose. And now I'm just going to spray my face with my all-nighter by Urban Decay lips. So I'm going to do a very nudie sort of contoured lip. Lip contour. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Liquid Suede and it's a very nude shade. Then I'm going to go in with my Cocoa in Sugar Plum. Add this all over. I really hope you like this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all.